Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Randy back with another fragrance video. And today I just received 3 new fragrances from Fragrance Net. And they're all ones that I haven't tried before, so I wanted to do a few first impression videos. The first of which coming from the house of Dolce and Gabbana. That's Dolce and Gabbana's The One Eau De Parfum Intense. And so this is a fragrance from the One line. This is the original Eau de Toilette, and then I have the Eau de Parfum somewhere in my collection, either there or in the other room. And this one is one that I've been really looking forward to because I do like the fragrances that came before it. I just don't think that the performance has always been there, and I also do like some of the limited edition ones that came out. So again, this is an Eau de Parfum Intense. I got this, the reason I don't have a box is I got it as a tester from Fragrance Net. Just an FYI, I half expected it not to come with a cap because some testers from Fragrance Net do not. But if you are buying these off Fragrance Net, they will come with a cap, and it's a really nice bottle. Just never pick it up from the cap. It's a really hefty bottle. It's like a black glass with the gold Dolce and Gabbana, the One writing. And again, it's an Eau de Parfum Intense, and this is the 100 milliliter bottle. So let's do a note breakdown here. The top notes are cardamom, neroli, and cypress. The mid notes are cashmere, benzoin, neroli, and clary sage. And the base notes are leather, neroli, patchouli, and labdanum. So full disclosure, I don't know what neroli, cypress, and labdanum smell like. Before I started my channel, I went to a place called Scent and Sip in Philadelphia. It's a make your own fragrance place. They had 500 different fragrance oils. I went with a notebook and I wrote down what I thought about each one of the fragrance oils that I didn't smell before. Those 3 were not on that list, so I don't know what they smell like. Hopefully I can pick them out if they are main additives in this fragrance. I do know what cashmere smells like. It's like a musk. And the benzoin is like a vanilla, like a resin vanilla. So hopefully I can. So let's do a few sprays here. Oh, I can smell that just right off the top. So if I was doing a blind test here, I could tell you, if somebody asked me what line is this from, I could tell you it's from the One line. The reason, if you know what the One DNA smells like, if you don't, it's like a warm, ambery freshness that can be worn all year round. It's subtle, but it's nice, it's sweet, it's warm, and this one gives you the same. So even though amber's not listed here, I'm guessing it's still in the fragrance because you're getting that One DNA, but it's like a fresher, more potent take on it because right off the opening, it's stronger, and it projects, at least to me, more than the Eau de Parfum does. You get this cardamom straight off the opening, and the cardamom, it gives it this warm, this sweetness, this freshness, this like aromatic feel. I do get a little green note there in the background. It's not very recognizable, and I'm guessing it's the cypress, but again, I don't know what that smells like. But really what you get off the front is a nice syrupy sweetness. It's not overbearing. This is a strong, if I had to dumb it down, you take the Eau de Parfum from this line, and then you add more freshness to it and make it a little bit more crisp, a little bit more potent, and just kind of take that sweetness and level it out a little bit. And that is what you get from this fragrance in comparison to the other 2. The main thing with this, and I really like this so far, this might actually be my favorite in the line right now, but if you like the One Eau de Parfum, you would really like this. It still smells pretty much the same, and we're about a minute or 2 in. I am getting a little bit of the musk, and the sweetness is kind of leveling out a little bit more here. Nothing else I can really pick out at this point in time, but it's a nice cardamom. It's a nice, fresh, sweet, almost ambery opening with a little vanillic tinge in there, but it's really nice. So again, this is Dolce and Gabbana's The One Eau de Parfum Intense. It is one of the flankers of the original. It is a very nice fragrance. It's a warm, fresh, more fresh than sweet, but a warm, fresh, and sweet fragrance. Very nice. I would definitely recommend, based on the opening, to pick it up. But I will be back in about 5 or 6 days with a full review. And if you guys like this type of content, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys tuning in.